We've got the two spaces connected, but Support Hub is still empty. When you're starting fresh like this, you don't want to push pages over one at a time. You want everything right now. And that's bulk sync all. From the product docs, open the bulk sync pages screen from the space settings page. In this page, click Sync Now, and then review the set of pages and just click the word sync. Wait for the magic to happen, and that's it. Every page, every attachment, the tree structure, all push over in one go. Let's check the Support Hub, and voila, everything's here. Oh, and just a quick heads up before we move on. Syncful does mean all. Right now, that includes a page we probably shouldn't have shared yet, our internal sync troubleshooting notes. We'll fix that later with a label in a later video, but it's worth knowing upfront. Syncful doesn't know the difference between ready to publish and still a draft, unless you tell it. Full sync done. And what if you only want to push part of a space? Say just one section to change. That's next. Select the bulk sync